Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to view and control what's happening in your WP Cron system. So guys, if you want to check and find out information about WP Cron system, so this is the famous and powerful plugin WP Control. Install and activate and use this plugin and try it. As we can see, there are 2 lakh plus active installation and a good number of review. So just you have to install and activate and try. If you have any query or questions, so guys, I will try to answer it. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel for this type of video.